Imagine setting off on an adventure with everything you need compactly packed into a lightweight, efficient, and stylish vehicle. That's the magic of the Tricycle RV Camper: affordability and the spirit of adventure into one innovative design. From the moment you see it, the Tricycle RV Camper stands out with its sleek front-end trike design and the integrated camper at the back. It's small enough to weave through city traffic, yet rugged enough to handle countryside roads. The camper's exterior is crafted with weatherproof, durable materials that are built to last, making it ready for whatever road conditions or weather challenges come your way. Driving it feels like a blend of a motorcycle's agility and an RV's utility. The engine is efficient, offering enough power to handle long trips while keeping fuel costs low. The three-wheel design provides stability that makes it easy to handle, even for those not accustomed to motorbikes. The suspension absorbs small bumps with ease, giving you a comfortable ride, whether you're cruising the highway or venturing down a dirt road. The real surprise comes when you step into the camper. Every inch of space is used wisely, creating a comfortable living area despite the compact size. The foldable bed provides enough space for one or two people, while clever storage solutions help keep your essentials organized. A small kitchenette offers just enough for basic cooking, and there's even an option for solar power and additional outlets to charge your devices. It's a minimalist dream, a tiny home on wheels. Setting up camp is where the Tricycle RV Camper really shines. It's quick and simple to transition from travel mode to relaxation mode. In just a few steps, the camper expands to provide more space inside, while add-ons like an awning or outdoor chairs create a cozy outdoor living area. You'll feel at home whether you're parked by a riverbank, in a forest, or at a scenic overlook. Fuel efficiency is one of its biggest strengths. Unlike full-size RVs that guzzle fuel, this tricycle camper is designed to go further on less. This makes it a budget-friendly option for long-term travel and a greener choice for the environmentally conscious. The compact design also means it's easy to maintain and park, saving you time and effort during your trips. While it's not a luxury vehicle, it's perfect for those who prioritize simplicity, adventure, and flexibility. It's ideal for solo travelers, couples, or anyone looking to embrace the minimalist lifestyle while exploring new destinations. If you're someone who values experiences over excess, this vehicle could be your ultimate travel companion. What do you think about this compact yet versatile Tricycle RV Camper? Could it be the perfect fit for your next adventure? Let us know in the comments, and here's to hitting the road and creating memories that last a lifetime.